All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I made the horrible mistake of thinking I can order a Pixel case. I didn't learn my lesson the last time, and it took this thing almost 2 weeks to get here. But it is finally here. A little banged up thanks to the post office and probably all the transit it went through from UPS to the post office, but it's finally here. So the Obsidian Black is the version of the Pixel that I have, and I really, the skin is nice, but I like to wear it without a case most of the time, and I felt like the skin started to lift a little bit, so I decided to go ahead and buy the official case from Google. Now this obviously is in the matching color, basically Obsidian. So we're gonna pop it open here, try it on, and wear it like this. No more skin. So there's a little tab here to pull it out. Just pulls out, and you got a little saying here about Team Pixel. There you go. And here it is. Now, right out the gate, I can tell this feels different than the version I had for the Pixel 6 Pro and the 7. Excuse me, Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. I bought it for both of those. And I'm going to buy this for the Pixel 7 too. I should have gotten it at the time, but I didn't for some reason. But here's the case itself. You can see it's got like the black chrome buttons on here to probably kind of match the device. Then you got a kind of a raised look around the camera module there, which looks pretty cool compared to last year's case. And the feel of this is a lot smoother than I thought it was going to be. The interior, though, is very grippy. No soft touch material or anything inside of here. I'm kind of surprised. But it's just a form-fitting hard shell, it appears. And I like to buy the original cases for devices just to kind of see, because this should be like the ultimate case for this device. You can buy third-party cases, you can check them out all you want to, but the official cases from the companies should work the best. So we're gonna go ahead. I've cleaned the device up. I really don't want to touch it now, so I'm gonna go ahead and slide it on here. And yep, that fits pretty good. That fits nicely. You can see the camera module here. I've removed the entire skin. I used to have a Sophie Guard skin on here. I went on ahead and removed it. But you can see everything here. Probably should put another skin on there. I like the way that looks though. But this is the case itself. Let me unlock it here, so we can test those buttons, the travel and feedback and everything. Let's see here. Yep. It should work great. This is the official case from Google. Now, there's no lip or anything on here. There's no like really big lip on this case, but there is a lip. So you turn to the side like this, there's a hair of a lip on the top and bottom. And this phone curves on the sides. So you're going to get the phone kind of sitting down in the case, which is what I actually like. So I don't have a screen protector on here anymore. I do have some, but I just took everything off. And this is the case, man. This is actually a really nice case. Where's my wireless charger at? All right. So it is charging there, as you can see, wireless charging, everything works. Everything's gonna work fine on here. You just have to find the case that you like. And the reason I went with this case right here is because I wanted I didn't want an ultra thin case, but I wanted a form-fitting case. And I thought I might as well just get the official Google case. Only bad thing about buying this case is waiting nearly 2 weeks for it to come in. If you decide to buy a case for your device, buy it at the same time you buy the phone. So hopefully you'll be able to get it all in one felt swoop. But here it is, man. Finally got my case in. Thank goodness. And I can go back to my solid combination here. I do have the 7, like I said. And the 7, I'm using a different case on here. This is a 2D Emerge case. And I have a few cases for these devices, but I wanted to get the official case, and I really should have ordered. Oh man, I really should have ordered this case at the same time, because last year when I ordered the cases, it took them about 7 or 8 days to come in. This time it took even longer, man. So it's a little frustrating, but what can I really possibly do? So here it is, man. The official case for the Pixel 7 Pro and the Pixel 7. It's gonna look exactly the same. So you'll have to decide on if you want to pick this up or not. It's not really a lot of grip. It's really smooth, but it feels pretty good. It's a real nice soft touch. Feels different than this soft touch right here. Hopefully this one doesn't do too bad with like fingerprints and oil and things like that. Most of these cases do, but we shall see over time. I'll follow up later on more than likely. But it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.